natin kung explain ko at kung why the high ticket sales is truly the best way to go. So, by the way, we also happen to work sa isa sa mga pinaka best high ticket suppliers on the market. The problem with low ticket sales, if you've shopped online, makikita nyo ang huge range of products from low priced to high priced. When we say low price, ang ibig ko sabihin is about the cheaper products, which means tiny profit margins. Ito yung scenario. Suppose you need $6,000 a month para makover yung bills or even quit your job. If you're only making a few dollars per sale, like mga protein powders, vitamins, or mga similar items, you'd have to sell thousands of products each month just to hit about $6,000. To make matters worse, you have to repeat that thousands of sales each single month. No, thank you. So, itong isang scenario. If you earn $20 per sale, you'd need to close about 500 deals just to reach $10,000. But if you switch to a high-ticket model where each sale nets you $1,000 or more, you only need about 10 sales to hit the same mark. And here's the ticker. The time and effort required for a single sale is often similar whether you're selling a low-price item or a high-ticket offer. Then, why high ticket is the game changer? So now, let's see how much simpler it is to achieve that same $6,000 goal with a high ticket model. Ang supplier namin, it pays between $400 and $6,000 per sale. That means 15 sales at $400 each or a single $6,000 sale meets your monthly target. Clearly, closing 1 to 15 sales a month is way easier than hustling thousands of small sales. That means automation, work smarter, not harder. Here's the best part. Ang platform ho namin, you don't have to do any selling yourself. Our proven sales funnels does all the heavy lifting. I've been telling you that, from lead capture to follow-up, so you can focus on other aspects of your business or simply enjoy more free time. The bottom line, high-ticket sales and marketing are keys to higher profitability with fewer transactions. Sustainable growth for your business. Less stress compared to low-ticket alternatives. So if you're ready to start working smarter instead of harder, sama po kayo sa akin. Head to www.mariamoletaranza.com and register and watch the free 20-minute webinar about our program. You'll hear from the real people who will already use this proven system to hit their financial goals. So why aim low when you can go high? Embrace high-ticket sales and marketing and watch your business and your life transform. So, yan ho lang ho ang that's just what I've been telling you about. That's just our business. So, I hope you understand what I've been telling you all along, almost every day. So, if you still have questions about it, go over the videos I've been doing, and even all the videos that the other not the live videos, the videos that the faceless videos that I've been doing. Watch them, learn from them, and the videos that with the face videos that I've been doing, those are all more of talking about our business, literally. So, watch them. And if you like what we're doing, join us. Okay? Kaya, nasa sa inyo po yon kung gusto nyo. At, ayan, nakita nyo na ho yung, ano, yan ang aming mga uh, ino-offer sa inyo. So, um, $149 para yun lang ho ang initial payment ninyo para pumasok. And then yung kami ho, mga mentor, coaches, marami ho ang magtutulong sa inyo. All of us is gonna help each one. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, I think uh, we're gonna help each other. Just join us, and till next time. Thank you for watching. Hello, hello, Borsha, Brishley, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Sajib, thank you for all the support. Um, thank you so much. Okay, I appreciate you all. Bye bye.